Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss some important chapter of your syllabus based on mathematics, and in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is area related to circle. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, this chapter. First of all, we discuss about the basic formula related to that chapter. You know that in this chapter there are so many important topics like area of triangle, circumference of a triangle, area of circle, circumference of a circle. You know that, and sector. What is the formula for the area of sector? What is the formula for the area of segment? So in that type of question, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. So let's see. Let's suppose that this is a circle with center O. Okay, and let A and B be any two points on the circle. And dear friends, you know that when we join these 2 points with a line segment, this is called a chord. This is called a chord, and you know that the chord of a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the circle, this is refers to chord of a circle. Okay, now dear friends, now after that, if we join OA and OB, so this is the radius of the circle. Which are radius. OA and OB are the radii of the circle, each equal to R. Okay, so first you know that what is the formula for area of circle. You know that area of circle is pi into R square. This is the formula for area of circle. And second important formula related to that chapter is what? Circumference. Circumference of circle is what? 2 pi into R. This is the formula for the circumference of a circle. Both are very important formula related to the chapter areas related to circle. And dear friend, now we are going to discuss about what is the concept of sector. What is the concept of sector? Dear friends, this is very important topic. Sector is a region bounded by an arc and the radii of the circle. And radii of the circle. Right. So if that region, dear friend, that region, suppose that is point C. So area of sector, what is the formula for the area of sector? Look, the next formula related to that chapter is area of sector is what? Pi r square into theta upon 360 degrees. This is the formula for area of sector. This is the formula for area of sector, which is very important concept. Okay, now the another formula for the area of circle sector is 1 upon 2 length of arc into radius. Okay, this is also a very important formula. And the length of arc, this is length of arc, the formula for the length of arc, this is arc AB, no? So length of arc L is equal to 2 pi into r into theta upon 360. This is another very important formula related to that chapter, the length of arc. So length of arc is 2 pi r into theta upon 360 degree. Okay, this is the concept of length of arc. Now look, now we are going to discuss about what is the concept of sector. Sector of the circle and its formula. And a very important formula related to that, if dear student central angle, you know that, no? and if this is your central angle is theta, then area of triangle AOB is what? This is another very important formula. So look, area of triangle AOB is what? 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. This is one of the most important formula related to that triangle. Now, what is the concept of segment? Yes, friend. The region is bounded by an arc and a chord of the circle. This region. Okay, this region. If you see, we take C here. ACBA. This is the concept of area of. This is the segment. Now, what is the concept of to find the area of segment? Look, dear friends. The concept of area of segment found here. Area of segment is equal to area of sector OACBO. Okay. Area of sector, which sector? OACBO minus area of triangle AOB. Look from the figure. If this is your sector, this is your sector. If area of that sector minus area of that sector, so we get this area. Okay. So area of sector OACBO minus area of triangle AOB. In this way means what is the formula of area of sector? You know that pi r square into theta upon 360 minus area of triangle 1 upon 2 into r square into sin theta. So from the help of this concept, we find the area of segment. This is one of the most important concepts related to that chapter. Now we are going to discuss some other important concept. Look, dear friends, when two circles intersect, touches externally, in that condition, suppose that O be the center of the first circle and O dash is the circle of the second center, then radius this is R1 and this is taken as R2. In that condition, the distance between their centers means O dash is equal to the sum of the radii of two circles, means R1 plus R2. So this is the very important concept related to that topic. And second one important topic is if two circles touches externally. So this is center O, this is center O dash, and the radius of this is suppose capital R, and the radius of this is what? Look, this is a capital R, and this is your small r. Okay. So in that condition, the distance between their center is what? Look, O dash. O dash is what? So in that condition, the distance between their center O dash is equal to the difference between their radii. Okay, so this is the concept of that topic, which is very important. Okay, so in this way, dear student, this is R and this is R. So in the capital R minus R, so when two circle touches externally, the Indian condition this one, and when two circle touches internally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the what? Difference of their radii. So this is a very important concept. So please, dear students, first of all, you remember all the important concepts and questions related to that chapter. Okay. So which is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Okay, dear student. So in this way, you can solve so many questions based on this topic. Okay, now we take some important questions, and the question is two circles touches externally. Two circles touches externally. Okay, two circles touches externally. The sum of their areas is the sum of their areas is 130 pi square meter. Pi square meter centimeter, 130 pi centimeter square, and the distance between their center is, and the distance between their centers, and the distance between their centers is 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter. Find the radii of the circles. Find the radii of the circle. Now let's see its solution. Now look here. There are two circles which is touches externally. So first of all, we draw the figure. Let's see. Two circles they have. Let. Suppose that there are two circles of radius capital R and small r respectively. There are two circles are there which is touches externally. Okay, find the radius of radius. Let the radii of the circles are capital R and small r respectively. Then from figure, the distance between their centers is 14. In that condition, dear students, when two circles touches externally, then the sum of their radii is equal to the distance between their center, in O dash is equal to R plus R. So let us say R plus R is equal to 14. So let capital R is equal to X, that is small r is equal to 14 minus X centimeter respectively. Okay, so in this way the radii of the greater, so in this way X and 14 minus X. Now, and the sum of their areas is 135 centimeter square is given in the question. So means according to another concept, A1 plus A2 is equal to what? This is 130 pi. Now look, so if A1 is what? Pi capital R square plus A2 is what? Pi small r square is equal to 135, because of, you know that area of circle is what? This is pi r square. Okay, now from there we take pi as common, so capital R plus small r square is equal to 135 pi, or and pi cancel to each other. Now we put the value of r and small r. So value of r is capital X square, sorry, small x square plus small r is what? This is 14 minus x whole square is equal to, this is 130, this is 130. Now we expanded it, look. Now this is what? X square plus this is 14 minus x whole square now. So a square, this is 196 plus b square minus 2ab, this is 28 is equal to 130 is equal to what? 130. Now what I do? Now x square is what? This is 2x square now, minus 28x, right, as it is. This is plus 196 and plus 130 transfer that side, so this is minus 130 is equal to what? 0. Okay. Now we get 2x square minus 28x. We subtracting them, to 196, 136. This is 36. So this is plus 36 is equal to 0. Now, dear friends, from we take 2 as common, so we get this is x square minus 14x plus 18 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 14x plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. Now look. In this way, first of all, now look what I do for that. 18. This is if we check once more time, so we take this is r1 plus r2 is equal to 14 now, so r1 is x. So now look, we get as this is to take as for 196 minus 130. Oh, 196 or 130 subtracting them to 6. This is 66 here, no? This is 66, sorry. This is 66. So if we do take count x square minus 14x plus, this is 33 here, no? Okay, 33 is there. So now we get as 33. Now 11 3 is 33, 11 3 14. So we get as x square minus 11x minus 3x plus 33 is equal to 0. Now we form pair, we form the ordered pair, where we take pair. So from there we take x is common, so we get x minus what? 11, and here 3 is common, so x plus minus minus 11 is equal to 0. Now dear student, x minus 11 in one bracket and x minus 3 in one bracket is equal to 0. If we take this is equal to 0, then after we take this is equal to 0. Okay, so if we take x minus 11 is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to plus 11. So we take only 11. So look, we take as thus the radii of circle is what? We take r as what? We take r as what? 11x. 11 sorry, capital R na x. So this is one is 11 centimeter. This is first answer. And the radii of the second circle is what? We take as the 14 minus x, that is 14. This is 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter and 4 centimeters are the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and discuss some other important questions based on this topic. Let's see. Now let's see a very important question of your syllabus. Find the area of circle, and the question is find the area of circle. Find the area of circle whose circumference is whose find the area of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Now let's see its solution. Difference, we find the area, and for finding the area, first of all we must have the radius of circle. So first of all we find the radius. For what method? Let's see. Here look, find the area of circle, no? So let R be the radius of circle, then its circumference, then its 2 pi r, then its circumference is 2 pi r. So that is circumference is given as what? 27 to 22 centimeter, na? So from there we put the values of its circumference. Okay, look. So now that is 2 pi r is equal to, that is 22. Now we simplify that. So this is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r we will find here, and this is 22. So 22 is what? Cancel to each other. So from there the value of r 7/2 centimeter. This is the radius of circle. Now what I do now, dear friends, first of all with the help of that concept we find the radius of circle. Now after finding the radius of circle we find what? We find what? Its area. Now its area, thus the required area is what? This is 22 upon 7 into r square means what? 7/2 into 7/2. Now look, 7 cancel to each other. This is 11 times. So 11 into 7/2, that is 11 into this is 3.5. 3.5. Now we multiplying them. 11 5s are 3, 5, that is 5. 38.5 centimeter. 38.5 centimeter is the required solution for that question. This is the area of circle. So dear friend, in this way, first of all you revise all the important formula and question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so this is very important chapter. For you and your upcoming examination. Okay, so first of all you revise all the question which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes, and do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now, dear students, in next class, we take and discuss the same chapter and some important question based on these topics. Okay. Now, thanks to all.